Now we are going to learn how to chat using Google Hangouts. Right now we are not using Google Hangouts. Many of they are using other apps to chat with people, but here as per the syllabus Google Hangouts we have to teach. So here we can open Google Hangouts in three methods. One is directly you can search in the Google, that is you have to type the URL hangouts.google.com in the Google search engine. You will get it. In that you have to sign in through the email identity password. So and you know that these Hangouts, Google Hangouts are integrated with Gmail account, and all Google Hangouts are integrated with Gmail. Google accounts are integrated with Gmail and password. And Google Hangouts you can open in mobiles, that may be Android mobiles or iOS mobiles, okay, as well as you can open in your personal computers, laptops, PCs. There you require Gmail account and password. So here I am recording in the mobile, that is the reason I cannot open this application through the browser now. But how to open? You have to type the hangouts.google.com in the Google search engine. You will get a sign in ID. There you have to click on sign in. Then you have to type email ID and password of Gmail. If it is matches, then it will open and you will get a Google Hangouts. So here you can see that. One second. Yeah. Next. So whenever you are texting to anyone, you can text either with the text, or you can use, if you wish to express your anything, either happiness or anything, you can use the emoticons. Emoticons are the way to express your feelings to the others. Many emoticons are there. You can choose any one of the emoticon. Whenever the Google Hangouts is open, to whom you chatted, that list will be available and the previous chat will be there, and you can type a text and you can click on enter button, then the text will be sent to the recipient. And if you want a new conversation, you have to click on plus symbol, and those who are in online, that is indicated with green symbol. If the on the name there is a dot, green dot is there, then they are in online, the remaining are offline. And while chatting you have to follow certain rules. While chatting with anyone you have to follow certain rules, okay. So those are called etiquettes to be followed while chatting. What are the charting rules? Actually we are not following the charting rules, but when you are charting professionally you have to use some rules. What is that? You have to introduce yourself. First one, if the screen name does not reflect, suppose your name is not available to the recipient, then you have to introduce yourself. And find out, confirm with him whether he is ready to receive our message, means whether he is ready to chat with us or not. Maybe he is busy somewhere. So if he is busy and if you are trying to send the message, then our message may not conveyed in a proper way. So that is the reason you have to always ask if the user is ready to chat with you or not. And always start with a short greeting, either good morning or good evening, as per the situation, as per the time you have to wish him, and you have to start, and the message should be short and precise, and we have to clear cut, we have to say the points. It's not like a long essay type, okay. And when you are chatting with a person, whether he or she, do not keep him or her waiting for a long time, okay. You have to give a reply with a short span of time, okay. And never use a capital letters while chatting, okay. And some other rules are there. That rules are, wait a second, yeah, do not use abbreviations if it is professional. See, when we are chatting with the friends, we are using some abbreviations, but whenever you are doing anything chatting professionally, do not use the observations, and gives a little bit time to respond to your message, okay. You have to give the recipient to respond to your message, okay. And you should not post any objectionable audio or video during chatting, okay. So you should not post which is opposite to the which should not objectable. It should not be objectable by the other person who is chatting with you. So you cannot send any audio or video or any image which is objectionable. And it is a good etiquette to sign off from chatting with a thank you and bye. Whenever your last message is there, means whenever you are going to sign out, at that time you have to say thank you or bye or any wishes to him. So these are the some rules. And I said no, Google Hangouts we can open directly through the Google search engine. Otherwise, if you have the Gmail account, you open the Gmail account, okay, with the sign in, I mean with the Gmail and password. There is an option is available on the screen. You have to click on that Google Hangouts option and you can use for chatting. Or else you can open through the mobile phones also. You can open through the mobile phones. How to open? Go to Play Store, install Hangouts and sign in through the mail ID and password, and you can start conversation. And whatever it is there, even you can, you know how to use the WhatsApp also. Instead of teaching you WhatsApp how to install, you know how to install the WhatsApp message, even other apps also. For everything you can install any app in the almost every app you can install in the Android phones or iOS phones, that is iPhones. For that you require you have to require a account. You require an account in the Play Store. Then after you have to log into the account through the mobile number and password. And WhatsApp you can open in the mobiles, means it is application based as well as web based. This is about Google Hangouts. Okay, so here they are explaining here how to install the app. So instead of explaining to you, know how to install the apps more, as well as how to use the emoticons, you know it. And what we can send through the WhatsApp, we can send through the documents, and we can send the images which are already available, or instantly you can take a pic and you can send your audio, location as well as contacts, and you can pay the amount also right now. And you can open the WhatsApp account in the computer also. To that, in the search engine, either Google Chrome or internet browser, any browser you have to open, and there you have to search WhatsApp web. Then you can open, and that you have to, with the help of QR code, you have to sign into the account. So this is about Google accounts as well as Google Hangouts and how to install the WhatsApp. By this I'll end the lesson, and next we are going to discuss about blogs. Okay, thank you.